Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to replace front main seal on the 91 Toyota Previa. The main seal is behind that coupler right there. So this coupler here, the sat shaft coupler, we'll have to get that out of the way first. Get this out, and the main seal is behind there. And also, before we do that, this is all-wheel drive. We have to drop the front differential. We don't have to take it out, just lower it. And we have to loosen this bracket right here. Bracket, and also we have to loosen this so we can slack the front differential. Then we'll be able to get to it. Okay? And right now we'll go ahead and work in the front here. I hope you can see it, but it's really a hard place to get the video. But we'll go ahead and take out the front bracket. If we don't take this out, we're not going to be able to move the sat shaft out of the way. We need to move the sat shaft out of the way in order for us to have enough room to pull the front crankshaft. And now this is ready to come down. Okay, and also we need to lower this down. Okay, see, so we just lower it down like that, and with that we will, let me go ahead and reposition the camera here. Bear with me, okay? Try my best. See, I think this should be pretty good. Hope you can see it. Let me pull it in closer. Right there. Light. Okay. Now we are going to remove the coupler out of the way. Oh. I don't know why, but the early year they have this hex bolt. Hex head bolt makes it really tough to get it out sometimes. Okay. Get a different tool. I'm gonna turn a little bit. Okay. Good. Okay. I'm gonna change this to regular bolt. See, we're still here. All right, and we just need to move this out of the way. See? Basically, I'm going to just tie it out the way with a zip tie. Right there, we should be enough to get the crank. We'll take the crank pulley here out. There should be enough room here. Okay. Gonna zap the crankshaft out, crankshaft pulley. Okay. Big boy, big boy. The right tool makes job easier. Okay, right there, and most of the time you can just pull it out like that. There. But sometimes if this doesn't come out, then you have to use puller. You might have to use this puller sometimes, but most of the time you can pull it out. And from there you can see, right? This is the rear main seal right here. I mean, rear main seal, front main seal. But you can see the oil splatter all around it. That's it because just old, worn, leaking. Before I take it out, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Nice and clean. Yeah. Okay. Now we come to the part where we'll take this old one out. It's very easy. You just need a pry bar, and just press the pry bar from the top like this. Okay. See? Look at that. Come right at you. Okay. That's it for taking it out. And from here, I am going to install the new seal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and just clean it all up. There. After that, this is a new seal right here. Okay, Go ahead, put a new seal in there. It's not in yet. Some people use special tool. Some people have special tool. It's not that complicated thing to deal with, so I'm just gonna use this here. This is just the end of the hammer, and let's see, you want to put in just right past the edge, the lip of this oil pump here, oil pump cover here. Just a little bit right past that. You can feel it. Make sure they're all even. This one needs a little bit more. This one needs a little bit more. Yeah. Let's go a little bit more here. And that's it. There's no special tool needed. Okay. And next, put the crank pulley back in. Kind of get in the way here. Okay. There. Remember, it has to be almost flush, okay? You keep on twisting it, twisting the pulley until it finally go in and almost flush like that. And next is the crank pulley bolt. Tie it by hand, and then it should be torque. Can't remember. I have to look at the book, but I think it's 165, something like that. But I usually just take my impact, put my impact so they set. So they sit right underneath. My impact's already set for that, so that's it. All good to go. Okay? The rest, we just have to put everything back in. The front horseshoe bracket, and put this back in here just like the way we took it out. Alrighty? Have fun. Bye bye.